I want to say a big thank you to the Bob and Brad team for very kindly reaching out to me and offering us this massager gun to try. This has been an amazing experience. The massager gun is very compact, but it is really mighty. It's been giving us an amazing massaging experience. And because of its size and the fact that it's cordless and rechargeable, it's perfect for at home or also traveling as well. It's really versatile and ergonomic to use, which has been really great. In the pack here, you're going to get your case. And in the case, you get everything you need to get started. You get your 5 different attachment heads, and each head has a different purpose. So you've got one for your spine, for deep tissue, for lighter and softer. But don't worry, in the booklet you get in the pack there, it does explain everything, but definitely find the right attachment for the job. One of those attachments is the infrared heat therapy, which is perfect for both deep tissue and surface tissue treatment, making it ideal for pre-workout and post-workout muscle strain. Knowing this has been designed by Bob and Brad, such renowned physiotherapists, gives me such peace of mind. This is going to be so good for so many people. Maybe you're an athlete, or maybe you're someone that has a physical job. Maybe you spend a lot of time sitting down, which can be super uncomfortable, or maybe you do a lot of driving. This is going to be absolutely fantastic for you to help with those aches and pains. I love the fact that the heat there is optional, and it's got 5 different power settings as well, along with those 5 attachments. And using this for the last few weeks has been such a relief for us, and I can see why over 1 million of these have been sold. Thank you so much again to the Bob and Brad team. Having this massager has been such an amazing relief for us, and we really do appreciate it.